Recording the sewer here today at 10 Armour Street. Date is June 15th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the exterior 4-inch diameter ABS cleanout in the backyard here of the home. I'm pushed about 150 feet down the line. This is a shared sewer line with a neighboring home, at least one, possibly two neighboring homes. We're going to pull back from here and get a look at the line. This is the city main running down, I don't know, that adjacent street down from here, westbound. Coming back into a liner. So this has all been lined. There's a long stretch of liner here, but it looks like it's held up to be in pretty good shape. Back into a section of PVC here. And up out of that PVC and back into clay. Looks like we're in 4-inch diameter line. We're going to zero out our footage as we get back in this clay. Some root intrusion. Line was recently cleaned. Back into this ABS that's associated with the clean out here. So we're going to call that 44 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe between this ABS clean out and that next section of PVC. I'm going to end the video there.